What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Symmetry case for the S26 Ultra. Let's check it out. So it's new phone season. The S26 just came out recently, and it is now time to unbox one of my favorite cases by OtterBox, the Symmetry. I am also going to grab the Commuter at some point. I do like that case as well, but for today we're going to be checking out what the Symmetry has to offer for the S26 Ultra. What I do like that they've added to these cases that I've never seen, to the packaging for the cases that I've not seen, is this thick meter here. That's kind of cool. If you're not in front of a bunch of different cases, it doesn't really help out. It doesn't show you much, but if you were at the store and there's a Symmetry, a Commuter, a Defender, all there, they're going to have a different rating there, and it kind of gives you an idea as to what you're picking up, because if you don't know what you're looking at, Symmetry versus Commuter versus Defender is not going to really tell you much, but having a little meter right there, it's pretty smart. It's good marketing. Talk about the built-in magnets. It has a magnetic ring there, so that should help with sticking this thing to car mounts and the like in your vehicle, and accessories that utilize that magnet should stick even better as well. So other than that little meter on the front, not a ton changed here. It does talk about the raised edges for the camera, the ability to have a lanyard in the corner. Pretty neat. I don't use that, but some of you might. And let's break into it. It says open from the other end, but this seems easier, to be honest. Nothing really crazy in there. A little bit of information about the phone strap itself, a QR code to learn a little bit more, and it shows that it has 2 fixation points in the bottom. Pretty neat. Take that out. So there you can see the magnetic ring, and it is covered there, so it does kind of feel like it would protect the back of the phone. Now, one of the things I've noticed with these is that because it's clear, you're definitely going to make sure there's no debris. Like there's definitely some stuff in there before you put it on the case, before you put the case on the phone, that is. And there's not really much to it. I always go button side first, put it in, and call it a day. Not really a ton to see there. It does have a different approach than some of the other cases I've seen when it comes to the optics. There is a ring that goes around the entire camera sensor package rather than individual rings like some other cases, for example, where there's a ring around there, individual rings as well, and then a ring around the other 3 sensors there as well. It has a really good grip to it. It doesn't feel like it's going to slide around. It'll probably still be easy to get into your pocket as well. Cutouts on the bottom are all nice. It does make getting to the S Pen a little bit difficult. As a matter of fact, yeah, you really got to go from that beveled edge. They give you a little bit extra space to get your finger in there, but shouldn't be too big a problem as long as you got a little bit of nails to get in there and get the thing. Like I said, it's not a big deal, but it does make it a little harder to get to. Buttons are perfectly clicky. The mics are available up top. It has that edge around the screen to protect it should you put it down, face down, like a lot of us do. Minimal branding on the side. Not really much to it. If you're looking for a name brand case that you know, OtterBox is one of the biggest name brand cases you can get for a phone. This is not a bad option. The Symmetry style cases I find balance that protection versus sleekness and ease of use. I know people that get a Symmetry and never get another case. High quality stuff. Can't go wrong. They are a little bit pricey. This one was around 45 bucks, but they do get the job done, and they're pretty good at protecting the phone. I don't love clear cases, but this one doesn't look too bad because of the actual color of the phone itself. So if you're an OtterBox fan, these won't let you down. It doesn't deviate too far from that well-known design, and it gets the job done. Thank you so much for checking out this product with me today. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If not, the thumbs down works as well. And as always, I appreciate the subscription. Peace.